Incentive Connection Travel has been family-owned and operated since 1992 with unparalleled support, 365 days a year. The goal at Incentive Connection Travel is to make agents successful by giving them all the tools they need to build a profitable travel business with no hidden or unnecessary costs. Their services includes free 7-day-a-week contact with one of their family owners. ICT offers an exceptional commission split up to 90%, empowering you to enhance your client advertising efforts and achieve substantial profitability for your travel business. ICT is a Travel Leaders President's Circle member agency, which means they are a top agency with travel leaders with extra benefits to their agents. With Incentive Connection Travel, you are not in business by yourself, but in partnership with a family, the ICT family. Enjoy the benefits of being a travel agency owner while being a part of a network of successful independent business professionals. You are encouraged to communicate with their entire network, chat, email, Facebook, or by direct call. To learn more, go to www.ictravel.com today or contact Robert Simon by email, robert@ictravel.com, or call at 6028 679 606.